National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern
16250.
Chicago to Naperville, 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Addison, Glendale Heights, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burr Ridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Lowland Darien. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.